Welcome to another episode of Farm to Table to You. And while we're here, we're at Sweetgrass Dairy, and we're with the owner, Jeremy, and you're going to show us some amazing cheeses, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go check it out.
Every cheese making process is different, and every little thing can impact the finished product.
Okay.
We deliberately choose to put all of our mold cultures into the milk, and then it's our job as cheesemakers to create an environment that coaxes out all the nuances. It creates more work for us, but it gives us more control. Like behind us right here, you can see how the bloom will grow around the tines in the shelf. They get flipped over to try to cover that back up.
How many wheels are in here right now?
There's 6,000.
6,000.
We just counted inventory. So.
Okay.
So this room is just another aging room. It's taller and obviously larger than the one that we were just in. But it also has a different airflow. It's got a different humidity. And all of those things are influences on the finished product. Any batch that you see that has a wedge taken out of it, it means that it's either being tested right now at the lab or it's already been tested. One of the concerns with raw milk is that there could be potential pathogenic bacteria in there. And so for us, we do that so that I can sleep at night knowing that our product is safe.
We visited Sweetgrass Dairy this week, and we learned all about how they're making some beautiful raw milk handcrafted cheeses right here in our own backyard. So what we have in front of you today is we have the Green Hill, which is their kind of soft cheese. It imitates kind of a brie. We also have their Asher Blue, which is one of my favorites. It's a real pungent blue cheese, and this is a special cheese that we just got in. This is called the Black Swan. This Black Swan is a beer brined cheese, so that's what gives it this beautiful brown color on the outside. And it really does something for the flavor. This is the Thomasville Toma. As you can see, that beautiful kind of moldy around the side. It's a soft cheese. It pairs up really well with our local honey. I'm going to put together the cheese plate that we serve at 101 Restaurant. It's one of our top sellers. Come on down to 101 and give it a try. Taste that local cheese and taste all these local ingredients. Now, when we're talking about cheeses and we're putting 4 different cheeses on the platter, you have to have something that pairs up well with all of those. Now what we can do is we can give you all of these beautiful nuts, fresh fruits, dried fruits, honeys, and that's going to kind of bring it all together, and the taste buds are just going to explode with flavor. There is our finished product, which we have all of our beautiful Thomasville cheeses right on the board. We have all those things that kind of bring out those flavors of those cheeses, those nuts, those fresh fruits, that local honey.